Good morning or good night. This is my first ever trade recap. I'll try to do them daily now. I mean daily. Every day I take a trade, obviously. Today is the 23rd of October 2025. I took one trade and it was a break-even one. And yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, let's go back to pre-market around here. Yeah, so my analysis started off. Did we just teleport? Yeah, we just teleported. Hell yeah. And now we have an invalid symbol. That's interesting. Is everything okay? That's like, hello, hello. I have no clue what's going on. But yeah, okay, I guess I can't go to the 4 hour. Let's go back, start new, here. Yeah, so on the 4, oh, why is it doing that? Okay, just don't look at the candle. We topped the 4 hour, we topped the 4 hour gap, we topped the equilibrium of it, and we went down. So it seemed like for me, we're gonna want to take at least this low and this low. So I went into the market with a bias of selling, especially after. Why is it doing that? What do you mean it doesn't exist? Yes, it does. Hello? Dude, what is going on? I'm starting to get annoyed. No? Okay, I think I got it working. Hello, yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, we topped the 4 hour, the equilibrium, and we actually went down and created this 1 hour FEG. Then, on the start of the new hour, on the 9 a.m., we actually topped it and went down. So I figured we topped the 4 hour, we topped the 1 hour, and it seems like we want to start selling off. So my tactic actually was to get this CSID on the 15M and just write a trade, something like this, around 2 or 3 hour. That is what I'm aiming for. I wanted to enter the 15M because I knew the volume is going to come with market open, but when market opened, it just totally fucked us. As you can see, this is what I mean. We tapped the 1 hour gap. Here was the top. I can show you, and it just teleports. Hell yeah, I love that from market. But yeah, we tapped here the 1 hour. Wait, let me do it like this. Here like this. Yeah, here you have to imagine. Here was the 1 hour gap. We tap it by 1 point. We're going down. So now I really wanted this trade. As you can see, close below here, go down here, here. As you can see, we have this SMT, but I thought this SMT is gonna be invalidated because we already used this SMT to tap into the 1 hour gap. But when market opened, even before we opened, since 9:10 we just started running up, and I actually changed my bias the moment we closed the 1 hour. I was still looking for shorts here, but I like from here I was like, I knew it's not happening. I would either take a continuation buy or nothing is going on. So when we inverse this 1 hour with actually this SMT, I realized, I mean, I didn't realize, I just respected it more, I guess. I thought, yeah, then if we're going down up, then we're going up. I most likely knew that there's not going to be a huge move anymore for today, but I still said if there's going to be a nice setup, fuck it, I'm going to enter it. So I waited for the 15-minute FEG to be created, as you can see this one, and we actually got this SMT that I thought was going to be used to top this, and it actually did happen. We tap it here, and when we tapped it on the 1 minute, here it is. Let me delete the 4 hour one. We tapped the 15M here. We had nice SMT with ES as well, because ES was even lower, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, yeah, as you can see, it was lower. We had both external and internal SMT. So I just started to look for an entry. I could take either order block, CSID, FEG, just anything just to get me in. And the only thing I got sadly was this IFEG. It was a bigger stop than I wanted because it was like that. And usually with the CSIDs I get a better entries, like higher RR, and I usually try to aim for 2 and 3 RR, but nothing I can do. I was break even on this, and that's only 0.7 RR, but like if we're not gonna displace through it and go up, then it probably means we're gonna go down more to retrace probably into some discount. Actually what happened, we started to chop here, I went break even after this, like perfectly break even. But after we took those highs again, I trailed my stop here, and then I said I'm leaving it running. I just left alerts on this, and my target, I wanted the 4 hour high, this, the one that is actually going to be taken soon. That is brutal. But since, okay, what is going on again? But since, let me actually show you here. Who cares? But since the, how it's called? But since the high got taken again, I thought we were just gonna rally up to take it. So I trailed my stop here, here to this low, as you can see here. And an hour later, I got stopped in profits. Here's the proof that how much I made. And yeah, then I actually retraced deeper, but then it just started going up, 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 up to the 4 hour high. The thing is, I realized, I think there's one mistake. The entry was valid in like the timing because it was only 10:23, but this was 140 points and we already moved like 240. So it was, I think the amount of points I wanted it to trade was unreasonable. That's why in the meantime I moved it to just 2 hour perfectly. It was like 30 points less, but you know, it would have been hit. And I still think it's unreasonable because that would give us 400 points. Obviously, it happened as we can see, but that was one mistake. But besides that, I would say it's a pretty good setup. I got broke even actually here, as you can see. Yeah, nothing to be mad about, to be fair. On to the next. I think there was nothing better for me to take because this was premature pre-market. I didn't see anything, and I'm trying to look for as A plus as again. I think this was good. Just choppy price action. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next trade recap whenever I take it. I'll try to take tomorrow. I'm not like I will try to take tomorrow, but you know, if it happens, it happens. I will post it. Yeah, so give me some advice. What should I change for the next time? Because it's my first time editing and posting a trade recap. And here's the execution.